Hey guys, this is Nate Deacon with Golf Made Easy. Last video I talked about how to avoid hitting a big slice or a big cut, and I actually had some of my students reach out and ask for the opposite. They want to know how to quit hitting snap hooks into the woods. So we're going to talk about going the other direction and how to minimize hitting a big snap hook or overdrawing the ball right to left. So the biggest thing is, for a lot of us, our grip is what promotes a hook. So when I set up, and I'm plenty guilty of this, I've fought this my whole life, which is called having a strong grip. So instead of my left hand, the club being right in the base of my fingers, and this thumb being just over enough where you can see 1 to 1.5 knuckles, I keep my hand wrapped over where you can see 3 knuckles. This is my normal grip. Now this is a really strong grip, and this promotes a draw. I've tried to fix it multiple times, and every time I do, I like hitting a draw, and I have learned how to control it. So there's also some swing pass stuff, but if you're trying to completely avoid hitting a hook, you guys need to take this and take the left hand and slide it over where you can only see 1 to 1.5 knuckles max. And then when you put your right hand on, instead of having it over here on the side, you need to get it back on top, okay? So when you get this is the neutral grip. This is the perfect grip from golf standards, okay? Now, this is the easy fix, but if you have a good grip already, but you're still hitting snap hooks, we're going to talk about the 2 other ways that promote the hook, which is going to be swing path. Just like we talked about with hitting too big of a slice, if you're hitting too big of a hook, you're setting up and you're dragging the club inside. And when you're doing that, a lot of us, instead of having it just at our back ear, we get it across our chest. So now this is all the way behind me. In my opinion, this is way too far inside. If I'm trying to hit a huge snap hook, you'll see me get it to this back shoulder. But if I'm just trying to hit my normal 10-yard draw, it's right here. Just a slight slant, not across my chest. A lot of mistakes come from this swing unless you get, in a really good groove and you plan on hitting a 30, 40-yard draw. Once you get back here, you're so stuck that if you drop this club inside, the only thing you can do is swing from really inside, and it's going to promote a really big draw. So even there, that's so far inside that I literally about chucked my club. Now the goal is, if you're trying to get rid of the draw, instead of bringing it so inside and getting yourself stuck back here, you need to start thinking about dragging the club more straight back, but letting the toe open. Not here, don't leave the club shut. Drag it back while you let this toe open, and then take it straight up. Now even here, this will promote either a straight draw or a 5-yard draw. Back here is, a big draw, and if I take it just straight out, this is how I hit a fade, okay? So it's really important where you're dragging this club to. Now, the only other thing that can promote it, I'm trying to think of the best way to show you guys, is Vijay Singh wrote a really cool article. It's called Flipping the Triangle, okay? When you flip the triangle, it's going to determine how much side spin the ball has when you hit a draw, or it's going to promote if you push it, if you don't get it back to square, or if you pull it, if you overdo it. So well, it's the same thing. When you work on this, we all start with this initial triangle, okay? This is how we all set up, or at least we should. And then now when I drag the club away, I'm going to let this toe open, and I'm going to flip open the triangle. So now the triangle went from facing you guys to me flipping it open, and now it's here, okay? What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to learn to turn my hip and shoulder to get it back to where it starts. And then right here, I'm going to let that triangle flip over. So Vijay Singh is almost a scratch golfer left-handed. And he talked about in this article how if you get where you get your timing of flipping this triangle open to close, it doesn't matter what side of the golf ball you stand on, you're gonna hit it well. Okay, it's the same way whether I'm hitting it left-handed or I'm hitting it right-handed. But when we, in the last about 2 videos back, we talked about when I flip the club over, the toe of this club should be pointing to the target. So if I successfully do that, the ball goes straight, toes to the target. But if I get here and overcook it, where now the club, the toe is pointing left instead of upright, this will create a big hook. Okay, so now if I set up and do that, and I take and overcook this top hand, now I'm in the left wood. Okay, now I didn't change anything with how I opened it and came back down, but right here, instead of just letting it flip to where the toes to the sky, I took this right hand and I let it get on top, and now that club is pointing left. By letting this hand flip on top, that's what it'll promote. Okay, so you guys got your grip being too strong and on the right hand side, that's one way. You got way too inside of a swing, which leaves you just coming so far from the inside that you gotta wrap it hard, which creates a big draw. And then you got flipping your triangle properly, toe to the sky, toe to the target, compared to arm on top. Okay, that's how you hit snap hooks. You want to minimize it, take the club more straight back, fire it more straight through, work on your grip to get it more neutral instead of over, or when you're practicing firing this club, make sure that when you fire it, you're only letting the toe go to the target, not to the left. When you learn to do that, you'll start hitting the ball straighter and better. This is Nate with Golf Made Easy. Leave comments, like. Have a great day.